video we are going to discuss some more standard forms which are very important for the examination point of view, and these forms are: first one form is I is 1 over a plus b cos 2 theta integrate with respect to theta, or I equals 1 over a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta plus c, or you have integration of the form a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta plus c upon a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta plus d or e. Because if I write the same thing, it will become same, so I just change the coefficients. It's e and f, and this I make it as g, and this is my dx. So these are the three important forms, and in all these forms we have to use three formulas. The formula number 1 goes like: sin 2 theta is 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. But we are not going to use these formulas directly, we will be using them indirectly or by changing them in different forms. And we will adopt the idea that when you expand the constant everywhere, whenever you have a constant, you can write that constant as sin square plus x cos square theta, or x, whatever variable you have taken, as 1. This value always gives you 1, and this cos theta value is always cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. So I mean to say that, and using the value of sin 2 theta as 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, means we will divide the whole expression in terms of sin theta and the cos theta, and then we will divide both numerator and denominator by cos square theta, and we'll get our standard form. Now these are just discussion of the forms. Now I'll solve one question each of these three forms one by one by taking the standard question. So here I take a form that is 1 over 3 cos 2 theta plus 5 d theta. How will you do that? So what I'm going to do that, at the place of this 3, this cos 2 theta, I'm going to write cos square theta minus sin square theta, and plus this 5, I'll take it as 5 times 1, and at the place of 1 I'm going to write as cos square x plus sin square x, or sin square x plus cos square x, both are same, and this will become, so I have written somewhere theta, somewhere x. This is theta, this is theta, and this is also theta. Fine. So now if you simplify, then you find denominator as a function of mixture of sin square theta and cos square theta. So this is 3 cos square theta here, and the 5 cos square theta here gives you 8 cos square theta, and the minus 3 sin square theta here, and the plus 5 sin square theta gives you 2 sin square theta. Now if I dividing, wait, let me write properly, why should we hurry? Dividing numerator and denominator by cos square theta. Then when you divide the numerator, since it has only 1, by cos square theta, you get 1 over cos square theta, that is sin square theta. So this becomes sec square theta. So 1 upon cos square theta is sec square theta, and this 8 cos square theta divided by cos square theta will become just 8, plus this 2 sin square theta when divided by cos square theta will become sin square theta over cos square theta, that is tan square theta. This is 2 tan square theta. Now you see this form is suggesting something, and what is the suggestion? That if you let tan theta is equal to x, then you are getting sec square theta d theta as dx. So this question now our integral becomes dx over 8 plus 2x square. Now if I take this 2 common, so 1 by 2 outside, we have dx over x square plus 8 on taking 2 common become 4, and the 4 I can write as 2 square, and there you see it's directly going to the form of dx over x square plus a square, which is 1 by 2 tan inverse x upon 2 plus c. So this becomes 1 by 4 tan inverse. At the place of x you write tan theta, so this is tan theta upon 2 plus c, and this is your final answer. So I hope you understood this particular form. Same thing, I'll try to express this whole into the form of sine 2 theta, or in the mixture of sine theta 2 theta cos, like that. So I'll take one more example. Let me clear the screen first. Suppose if I want to go for dx. Suppose this time I have the form 3 sine 2x plus 5 cos 2x plus 1. Then how will you solve this question? Again, at the place of sine 2x you write 2 sine x cos x, 2 sine x cos x plus 5. At the place of cos 2x you write cos square x minus sine square x, and at the place of 1 you write cos square x plus sine square x, and here it is dx. Now I simplify some, keep the like terms together. So this is 5 cos square x plus cos square x is 6 cos square x. I write here 6 cos square x. Now this minus 5 sine square x plus sine square x is minus 4 sine square x, and this is 3 into 6 is 6 sine x cos x plus. So if I divide, let me just write this properly. This is plus, and cos square is how much? 5 here, 1 here, cos 6 cos square x. Now I divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. Then what I'll get? I get sec square x dx, and this becomes minus 4 tan square x plus 6 tan x plus 6. So now you see we are directly getting denominator in the form of tan x, and this is quite helpful because we know that differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So if I just assume tan x as t, then I get sec square x as dt. So first let me get rid of this negative coefficient. So I take minus 1 over 2 common, and then I get sec square x dx. This will become 2 tan square x minus 3 tan x minus 3. So here I write let tan x equal to let tan x is t. Then I get sec square x dx as dt. So this I becomes minus 1 by 2 integration of dt over 2t square minus 3t minus 3. So here you see I need to get rid of this 2 first, and then I can express this as sum or difference of two perfect square. So this is minus 1 by 4 this time it will become, and dt over t square minus 3 by 2t minus 3 by 2. So this is minus 1 over 4 dt upon this I can write as t minus 3 by 4 whole square and minus 3 by 2 plus 9 by 16. So minus 3 by 2 plus 9 by 16. If you take the LCM 16, so minus 24 plus 9, that is 16 and 9, 25, this is 15. So minus 15. So I write this as minus under root of 15 by 4 whole square. So this is minus 1 by 4. This is going in standard form of 1 over x square minus a square, that is 1 over 2a log mod x minus a over x plus a. So 1 over 2a, so 2 under root 15 by 4 log mod t minus 3 by 4 minus root 15 by 4 over t minus 3 by 4 plus root 15 by 4 plus c. So this 4 cancel, and this becomes minus 1 over 2 root 15 log mod. At the place of t we write as tan x. So this is tan x minus 3 over 4 minus root 15 over 4. Do you see it properly? So this is tan x minus 3 by 4 plus under root 15 by 4 plus c. So I think the last expression what I have written here you cannot see properly, so I want to write this term here. So let me clear that part of screen. Our final answer what I have got as minus 1 over 2 root 15 log mod tan x minus this minus 3 by, so I can write this as under root 15 plus 3 by 4 upon tan x, and then I can write plus under root 15 minus 3 by 4 plus c. So if you take the LCM, so minus 1 by 2 root 15 log mod 4 tan x minus root 15 plus 3 upon tan x 4 tan x plus under root 15 minus 3 and plus c. So this is your final answer for this particular question. So this is all about these kind of forms, and in the next video we'll take some other forms, and that will be at the place of cos 2x in 2x we'll have this cos x, and instead of going into this form we'll go into the sub multiple forms.